All right, you guys, I'm really excited. It's our last day to work on our animal research projects. And this lesson is going to teach you how to write a conclusion. A conclusion is like the closing or the end part of your writing. When you think about your conclusion, I want you to think about the fact that you just gave your reader a gift. Your animal research report is like a gift. And when you give someone a gift in a box, you want to make sure you wrap it up by tying a bow on it, right? Like a lot of times when you give a gift, the last step is to tie a bow on your gift. So, how do you write a conclusion? These are my 2 tips for you. It can be really helpful to share a last cool fact or something you hope, and it can be really helpful to thank your reader. So I'm going to write a conclusion about my jaguars where I wrap it up, I share a last cool fact or a hope, and then I thank my reader. Ready to watch? I'm going to get out my notebook and I'm going to look for my pen. And at the top, I wrote a heading just like I did for my other sections. It says conclusion, C-O-N-C-L-U-S-I-O-N, conclusion. Okay, I want to try to wrap it up. So I remember that the big things that I taught my reader were about jaguars, their bodies, how they hunt, and where they live. So I could wrap it up by saying, that's what I know about jaguars. Or I could wrap it up by saying, I hope that this has helped you learn more about jaguars. Or I could wrap it up by saying a cool fact, like jaguars with their rosettes and their really sharp teeth are fascinating creatures. I like that last one. Jaguars with their rosettes and their sharp teeth are fascinating creatures. Jaguars with their rosettes and very sharp teeth are fascinating creatures. And then, since it says that another strategy is to write a hope, what if I said, I hope you'll agree? I hope you'll agree. Okay. Now, notice I'm still just writing on every other line because in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your writing makes sense, and you're going to want to have some extra space in case there's something you want to fix. So let's see what I've got so far in my conclusion. Jaguars, with their rosettes and very sharp teeth, are fascinating creatures. I hope you'll agree. And then the third tip for writing conclusions was to thank your reader. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to write, thank you for reading this report. Thank you for reading this report. Okay, so there's my conclusion. It's pretty short and sweet, but it's a nice way to wrap up your writing so that your reader can tell that the report is over. So here's that poster again for you to take a look at. I want you to pause your YouTube channel now and write a conclusion to your animal research report. Remember, your conclusion should wrap it up, share a last cool fact or a hope, and maybe thank your reader. Once you've written a conclusion, you can click on the next video, which will teach you how to finish up your writing and find a way to celebrate. Bye, guys.